How to use LegalZoom Digital Notary properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Using LegalZoom's digital notary service seems straightforward, but the surprising truth is that many beginners make mistakes that can invalidate notarized documents or create delays. The first mistake is not verifying document eligibility. Not all documents can be notarized online. Certain deeds, court filings, or real estate documents may require in-person notarization. Always check if your document qualifies for a digital notarization. Another common error is failing to prepare valid identification. LegalZoom requires a government-issued photo ID for verification. Submitting an expired or unclear ID can halt the process. Make sure your ID is current and easily readable. Many users neglect proper session setup. Stable internet connection, quiet environment, and working camera and microphone are essential. Technical issues during notarization can cause delays or require rescheduling. Skipping the review step is another pitfall. Before notarizing, review your document carefully. Typos, missing signatures, or incorrect dates can render notarization ineffective. Ensure everything is accurate before starting. Finally, some assume a digital notary replaces legal advice. While notarization confirms signatures and identities, it doesn't validate content or legality of agreements. Consult a professional if your document has legal complexity. To use LegalZoom Digital Notary properly, confirm document eligibility, provide valid, set up a reliable session, review your document carefully, and seek professional advice when necessary. Avoid these mistakes, and your notarized documents will be valid and secure.